green, orange, pink, blue, purple, gray. Sprunki Incredibox. Wow! So cute! Amazing!
Wow, this new house is so...
Huh? What is it? Who are you? Give me my house!
No!
I got my house back. Decorate it for me. How to make this house? That's right. Okay, let me help you. Start by placing the baseboards. Let's place all 5 rooms. Then glue the borders for the house. Wow! Roll out this pink clay to make a bed. Make a blue bed parallel to it. Next, make a mattress for the bed. Cut off the excess. Mix these 2 clays together to make a blanket. Cut it out to decorate it. You can decorate it to your liking. I'll make a bow to decorate it. Glue those 2 to the bed. So beautiful! Excellent! Decorate this to make a headboard. Add eyes to the headboard. Add a mouth. Finally, add a bow. I like it! Decorate another head for the other bed. Decorate ears and face to make a headboard. So cute! Add 2 bows at the foot of the bed. Amazing! Can you draw me a picture? Okay, let me. You can draw along with me. Next, color and decorate the picture. I like it.
They are so pretty! This bed is so pretty. I have to go to sleep. Haha! I like this color. I like the bed.
Stack the cardboard to make a kitchen cabinet. Add cabinet doors to make a cabinet. Excellent! Mix these 2 clumps of clay to make a kitchen table. Attach it to the kitchen table. Do it evenly. Use this straw to make a faucet. Wow! That's amazing! Don't do that anymore, it's messy. Oh, I remember. Use this clump of clay to make a blue kitchen. Decorate its face. Add eyes. Add hair, lots lots of hair. Add a kitchen counter and decorate it, and you're done. So cute! Amazing! Put the edges together to make a cabinet. Add stuff and you're done.
I can help you make things.
Then help me with this.
Okay.
Thank you.
I finished making the head.
Wow, you're so fast.
So it's done.
I like it. Give me a carrot. Don't cry, let me hold it. Squeeze it out to make a sofa. Add a face to it. Decorate it. Finally, add the necessary parts to make a chair. Excellent. Use this clump of clay to make a TV. Arrange the colors and cut off all the excess. Finally, decorate it done. I like it.
I like this room.
Haxie used this clay to make a small cabinet. Decorate it and you're done. So cute! Next, use this to make a mirror. Mix it up. Then cut it into small pieces. Decorate it into a mirror and you're done. So beautiful! I like it. Use this to make another cabinet. Let me dry your hair. So cute! Excellent!
But I told you so.
Wow, this new house is so...
You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.